Today we're going to learn how to draw the iconic Texas Longhorn. The Texas Longhorn is a symbol of strength and resilience. First, let's start with the basic shapes. Draw some curved lines in the center of your paper. This will be the Longhorn's head. Now draw a nose. For nose, first draw two curved lines. Then draw two small straight lines. Now draw one more line. Now draw a curved line for the nostrils. Now draw a curved line for mouth. This is the most distinctive feature of the Texas Longhorn, the horns. Starting from the top of the head, draw a line that curves outwards and upwards. Repeat this on the other side. The horns should be symmetrical and extend far out from the head. Now, let's add the ears. Draw two triangular shapes on either side of the head, starting from the head and extending outwards. Then draw some lines to add texture to the ear. Now draw some zigzag lines on top of the head. Now draw two almond-shaped eyes on both sides. Texas Longhorns have slightly narrow eyes, so keep them more elongated. Now draw two lines between eyes and nose, then draw two small curved lines under the eyes. And there you have it, your very own Texas Longhorn head. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drawing tutorials.